Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Genesis G70 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So for the first solution we're going to use, it contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. So with this one, spray it onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have, and also, if possible, clean around the paint area of the headlight. That way, just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't get any contaminants. And now once you're done removing as much as possible when it comes to the contaminants, flip your towel, and we're going to use our second solution. And with this one, it contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water as well. And this one, spray it onto your clean microfiber towel. And what this does, it helps remove any wax, oils, or any coating that the lens may have. And then once we finish with this, we can start with the installation. Okay, so we're going to start with the top piece first. With this one, apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film and align it right on the edge here first. So make sure you line it on the edge. Once you have it there, lift the film and apply tack solution underneath the film. That way we're able to start tacking it down and apply it on top as well. Hold it in position, grab your squeegee, and start tacking it down. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And make sure that this stays secure, that way we're able to stretch the film to this edge right here. So it's just a light stretch, but make sure this stays tacked down and it doesn't lift, because if it does move while we're stretching the film, it's just going to move it to the side and we're going to have to start all over. So now that's on the edge here, hold it in position, grab your tack solution, spray it on top, and start securing the rest of the film. Make sure to remove, like I mentioned, all the solution underneath the film as you go, and hold it and tack it down. Make sure to keep it aligned as well, and it's not moving. And that's pretty much it. Now it's secured, and the same steps that were done here, we repeat it on this end, but with just the lighter stretch, since there's not much of a curve here. All right, same steps for the bottom piece. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Align it on the edge, and with this one, you can start applying tack solution here as well. Align it right on the edge. Once it's aligned, spray tack solution on top. Start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure to keep it aligned and it's not moving. And start tacking down this end here. Make sure before you move on, just secure this whole section. That way, when we do the light stretch for this one, it doesn't shift. So up to there. And that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy with the headlights. Just this part, it does need the film to be stretched more because of this curve here. This one's smaller, so it's not that bad. But before we move on to the last step, which is post heating, make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. That way you don't have any water bubbles left over after the installation. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer, doesn't really matter, just as long as when you do use either or, use the low setting and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. And while you're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help secure. Hold it for a couple seconds and tack it down. That way the tint doesn't try to go back to its original form, and we're just helping it tack down and helping the adhesive activate faster. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Genesis G70. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.